Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share with you some products that I received from One Day Savings, and they had asked me to just do an unboxing of their products, and so here it is. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Please consider liking and subscribing to join me on this crafty journey. Okay, so let me get, sorry for the crinkling, let me get some scissors and let's get this open. But they are One Day Savings. You can find them on the internet. I will leave the link to their YouTube chat, their website, in my description box below, as well as links to these products so you can go check them out if you're interested. But I believe I was given $10, so these products added up to less than $10, and I could pick what I wanted. And so yeah, these are the items that I've picked, but they came pretty quickly. It says it ships from California. I think it probably took about 2 weeks-ish. So yeah, I did get that. And then these are the items that I did get. I got this. They're silicone molds, so I got this ampersand. Is that what it is? But it's just the and sign, and it's pretty big. Look at my hand. So it's about 4.5 by 3.5 inches, something like that. But yeah, so this is the mold. Comes in a plastic container, and here is the mold. And then the other product I chose was a kit that makes drawer knobs. Sorry for the crinkling again. But this is how their drawer knob kit comes. So it comes with the resin molds for the knobs, and they're a few different shapes. I'm just trying to get the other hardware out. Sorry. Okay. So there is 4 different knob shapes. Like a diamond, a round, like golf ball, half golf ball. This is like a oval-ish shape one. And then another diamond-ish shape. So the square kind of diamond, and then the faceted kind of diamond. But those are the different molds that come in this kit. And then they come with the hardware as well. So this is the like nut, and then the screws. So you probably would place, there's no direct instructions, but I believe they are on the website. And then the screws that come with it. So yeah, that was the products that I chose from One Day Savings. Like I said, I will leave a link to their website in my description box below, so you can go check out the other products they have. And like I said, I got this all for less than $10, so they're very reasonable. Go and check them out. I have leave the links to these products in my description box below. I hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!